said I had no clue, would you still be sad and blue? And if I said that there was nothing you could do, why would I, why do I go round and round? Why would I, why do I go round and round and round? If I said it's time for a truce, would you think of this just another ruse? If I said it was enough to lose, why would I, why do I go round and round? Why would I, why do I go round and round? Why would I, why do I go round and round? Why would I, why do I go round and round and round?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Dude, my hands are Dude, while you're flying, the adrenaline doesn't make you think about it, but the second you land, you're just like, oh. My hands have just been out this whole time. Oh, oh, it's so warm in here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
This is nutty. This is the most snow I've ever seen here.
Welcome to the desert. This is supposedly the desert.
Dude, we're gonna slow down, man.
I can't see anything.
Dude, it's all ice.
Oh,
Alright, well, we'll get to Cyril's Road and go right.
damn. The roads are just iced over in the desert.
There's some dry.
Damn, just right there where the shadow is, the sun hasn't warmed the ice off the road yet.
Yeah.
Look at all this, like, vegetation that's just snowed out, man.
This is crazy, dude.
I can't believe it. This is the desert.
Wow.
This is
We're gonna go drive around in this.
Dude, as far as the eye can see,
What the
in
fuck is going
every
on right now?
direction, it's just snow.
What happened here?
Engage four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive. It's a little gnarly right now.
You don't say, dude. It's crazy out here. Okay, now we're just f***ing in it. We are just in it now. Damn, son. You are powering. Oh, look at this boy. You're a good boy. Look at this. It's like a f***ing pond, dude.
That's really deep, man.
Yeah, I don't know about that. You want to spin it around?
Another day in the desert.
This is the desert,
Yeah.
by the way, kids. This is the desert of California. Welcome to the desert of California.